So, as you can probably see, these are the Corsair LL120 fans. I have a total of 8 of them in this build. This is a the Fantex Enthu Elite Mega Monster case that weighs 800 million pounds. These fans have been actually replaced twice by Corsair. They've had me replace the Commander Pros, the Lighting Node Pros. I've replaced basically everything in these loops, whatever you want to call them, with these fans. Oh, there we go. I'm about ready to rip them out and try the thermal take ones because, one, the cabling's a lot more simple, a lot simpler, but they might actually function.